How to create custom stopwatch in Capcut PC. First, go to Clock app on PC. Then click on Stopwatch section. From here, we will record the stopwatch. Now open Sniping Tool app. Select Video option. Now click on New button. Select the stopwatch area. Then click on Start Recording. After the recording starts, then start the stopwatch. I am recording 60 seconds. You can do more or less. Stop the recording after 60 seconds. Save the recording. Now go to Capcut PC. Import the recording clip into the timeline. Click on Ratio option and select this horizontal canvas. Adjust this according to your desire. Now go to Remove Background option from right side. Select Chroma key. Now select the background color of the recording clip. Increase the intensity till look OK. And that's how you can create custom stopwatch in Capcut PC. Thanks for watching.